kids, how are you today? Today we are going to begin a new lesson of standard number 3, and the lesson number is 3 of our subject English, and the name of the lesson is Mustafa's Gold. The name of the lesson is Mustafa's Gold. Mustafa is the name of a person. Mustafa is the name of a person, and this whole lesson is about of his gold. ये जो पूरा lesson है किस चीज के बारे में है? That Mustafa is a person and he was very richest person. Richest मतलब एक person जिसके पास बहुत सारा क्या था? Money था. So we are going to discuss that how he had used his money, how he has used his money, and did he got the opportunity of using his money? उसके पास बहुत सारा मनी था, पर क्या वो अपना मनी यूज कर पाया था? और he lost his money. That is the story of Mustafa's gold. So let's get started. Mustafa was one of the richest person in a town. Mustafa जहाँ पे रहता था वो वहाँ का बहुत ही ज़्यादा richest person था. Richest मतलब a person who has lots of money. A person जिसके पास बहुत सारा money होता है. That person is known as the richest person. But what he used to think to Mustafa used to think if a person is having lots of money, a person जिसके पास बहुत सारा money हो, he should be very careful. He was right, वो right था. अगर person किसी के पास बहुत सारा rupees हो, he should be very careful from the thieves. किससे उसको careful रहना चाहिए? From the thieves, because thief can steal his things as well as the money. उसके पास जो भी वैल्यूएबल सामान है हाउस में वो, और उसके अलावा उसका मनी थीफ क्या कर सकते हैं? चोरी कर सकते हैं. So Mustafa used to think that he should be very careful. And yes, he was thinking right. If you are having lots of money at your house, you should be careful. It's better to deposit it in the bank. Better thing is that कि अगर ज़्यादा रुपीस है तो हमको उसको सेफली बैंक में जमा करना चाहिए. Over here, what Mustafa did? Mustafa thought that I am having lots of money. If everyone going to know this thing that I am the richest person and I have lots of money, then what will happen? Thief will going to come and steal everything from my house as well as my money. चोर आके मेरे सारे रुपीस को ले जाएंगे, साथ ही मेरे पास जो वैल्यूएबल सामान है वो भी सारा मेरा लेके चले जाएंगे. So many people out to rob the rich man. Rob मतलब चोरी कर लेना. रॉबरी करते हैं ना, robbers means the thieves, जो सामान चोरी कर लेते हैं. So what Mustafa decided? Mustafa decided to pretend to be what? Pretend मतलब दिखाना. जैसे आप हैं, वह आप अपने आप को दिखा रहे हैं तो बहुत rich, और वो कैसा दिखाता था अपने आप को कि मैं rich नहीं हूँ. So Mustafa decided to pretend to be poor. मुस्तफा ने ऐसा डिसाइड करा कि मैं सबको ऐसा दिखाऊंगा कि मेरे पास मनी नहीं है, आई एम वेरी पुअर. सो व्हाट ही डिसाइडेड टू वियर द टॉर्न क्लोथ्स. उसने क्या करा? पुराने फटे हुए कपड़े पहनना स्टार्ट कर दिया, सो दैट एवरीवन शुड नो दैट ही डोंट हैव एनी मनी. And his face also looks like that he is not a rich person. Same, I'll show you in the picture. See, this is your English textbook lesson number 3 and Mustafa's gold. See, he is Mustafa and here are the people who used to look at him, and he is wearing old and torn clothes and stinky मतलब जिसमें से smell आता था. Stinky to be poor, he found very easy to be poor. उसने क्या करा? old clothes पहनने स्टार्ट कर दी. clothes were torn मतलब फटे हुए, जैसे क्लोथ यहाँ से फटा है और अदरवाइज यहाँ पे कोई दूसरे टाइप का क्लोथ यहाँ पे स्टिच हुआ हुआ है सिलाई के लिए, सो दैट क्लोथ इज वेरी ओल्ड. स्टिंगी मतलब स्मेल आना. स्टिंगी मतलब बैड स्मेल दैट यूज्ड टू कम फ्रॉम द क्लोथ्स ऑफ योर. आपके क्लोथ में जो बैड स्मेल आता है दैट इज नोन एज स्टिंगी. सो और Mustafa decided to be pretend as poor. For pretending poor, what he did? He started wearing the torn clothes, फटे पुराने और स्टिंगी क्लोथ्स उसने फिर पहनने स्टार्ट कर दी जिसमें से स्मेल आता है. So what if the people going to look at him? So the people used to snigger him. People used to snigger. SNIGGERED. Now sniggered means what? Sniggered means laugh at the person in the suppressed manner. Suppressed मतलब एकदम एक people आपको देखे फटे पुराने कपड़े पहने हुए और सब people जानते ही थे कि वो rich था. Then also if he was pretending like this, so people used to snigger and they used to laugh at him. Snigger मतलब एकदम अचानक से एक suppressed manner, एकदम ऐसे खड़े होकर सारे all the people used to stand and laugh at him. सब उसकी हंसी उड़ाते थे, उसका मजाक उड़ाते थे, but he doesn't bother. उसको उस तरह चीजों से कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता था. Why he was not bothering? He was not bothering because he wanted to save his money. उसको अपना मनी बचाना था. That's why he didn't get worried for the people that they are laughing at him. Now people used to snigger him as well as the small children used to call him कंजूस. Whistle, whistle, M-I-S-E-R, whistle, M-I-S-E-R, whistle means कंजूस. कंजूस मतलब जो जिसके पास मनी तो है बट वो उस मनी को ठीक से यूटिलाइज नहीं करता है, so that people is known as कंजूस. Now the children over there started calling him कंजूस. कंजूस वहाँ पे थे, उन्होंने उसको क्या क्या बुलाना स्टार्ट कर दिया. They all have started calling him कंजूस, कंजूस. Still he didn't bother. तो भी उसको कोई फर्क पड़ता नहीं था. He is bothered. उसने कहा कोई बात नहीं, बुलाने दो जो बुला रहे हैं. But why he was doing like this? Why? Because he wanted to protect his money. So whenever he used to move to the streets, वो जब भी उस रास्ते से ऐसे निकल जाता था, the children used to call him कंजूस. कंजूस जो बच्चे थे वहाँ पे जोर जोर से उसको चिल्ला के कंजूस कंजूस बुलाते थे. But why he used to? Because the clothes he was wearing, the clothes worn out, जो भी clothes वैसे उसने पहने होते बहुत ही पुराने होते थे, उसमें से बहुत स्मेल आ रहा होता था. And it was looking like that how come he can wear these kinds of dress. People लोग सोचते थे कि वो ऐसे कपड़े कैसे पहन सकता है. How come he is wearing these kinds of clothes? That's why everyone used to tease him. सब उसको चिढ़ाते थे that you are कंजूस. So children used to shout on him. हंसते थे उसके ऊपर, उसकी हंसी उड़ाते थे और सब क्या बोलते थे that he is very कंजूस. कंजूस people used to shout. One day what happened? He bought a huge lump of gold with money and he had amazed. Now what he did? What did he do? He bought a lump of gold. Lump I told you. Lump means what? Big pottery. Say as this is a kind of lump. This is called lump. A pottery. And what was there? Inside was gold. There was gold inside it. So what this Mustafa bought a lump of gold as well as lots of money. Mustafa bought lots of gold as well as lots of money with him. And what he did? He collected all together. उसने सबको एक साथ इकट्ठा कर दिया. In a heap. Heap मतलब ऐसा बड़ा सा बना लिया. एक बड़ा सा पोटली रेडी कर लेना. Like this, बड़ा सा ऐसे पोटली बना दिया और यहाँ पे क्या है उसका पोटली का knot. Like this. Who did this? Mustafa. Mustafa bought the lump of gold and the money he was having with him and made a heap of that. इसमें क्या करना उसका एक heap बना दिया. And what did he did? He came near a unused well. इसके पास पहुंचे ये सब सामान लेके. He moved near an unused well. Well मतलब कुआं. एक कुएं के पास गया जो कुआं कभी भी किसी चीज में यूज नहीं होता था. People doesn't use to drink water of that well. उसका पानी नहीं पिया जाता था, इसको कोई यूज में नहीं आता. So what he did? He moved near the well. Well के पास गया and the heap of the gold he was having, जो सारा gold उसने इकट्ठा करके रखा था, he dug a hole in the earth. उसने उस well के बाजू में गड्ढा करा and he buried all his gold inside. उसके बाद जितना भी उसका gold था वो उसने क्या करा? उसके अंदर छुपा दिया. He put all his gold inside that earth. Inside the earth. उसने जो earth के बाजू में गड्ढा खोदा उसके अंदर सारा gold अपना छुपा दिया and covered it up. उसको cover up कर दिया. Why did he was doing all these things? He was doing all these things just to save his money. उसका money बच जाए और कोई चुरा के ना ले जाए उसका money. That's why he was because what he thought, from my house anyone can come and thief मेरे house से तो कोई भी आके चोरी कर सकता है, but if I am going to keep my money over here, my gold over here, then no one will be able to come and take. इसीलिए उसने क्या करा, गड्ढा करा मिट्टी में, वहाँ पे छुपा दिया उसको, क्योंकि वेल को तो कोई यूज नहीं करता था, इसीलिए उसने क्या सोचा कि no one will going to come over here and no one will going to check about my gold. यहाँ पर कोई आएगा भी नहीं और किसी को पता भी नहीं चलेगा that I have kept some of my gold over here. With a happy thought, Mustafa checked on his treasures daily. Treasures means valued object. Treasures means बहुत ही ज़्यादा जरूरी हमारा जो सामान होता है, that is called treasure. Now what Mustafa used to do, the place where he dug the earth, the place जहाँ पे उसने गड्ढा करा था और अपना गोल्ड सारा छुपा दिया था, what he used to do, he daily used to have a look over there. वो जब भी रास्ते से निकलता, वो वेल के पास जाकर खड़ा हो गया, ऐसे वहाँ पे अपना सारा सामान देखता. Let me show you in the picture. See, this is the well that was not used, and he is Mustafa. He daily used to go over there and have a look over there about the thing that he have already kept inside the mud. जो उसने मिट्टी के अंदर छुपा दिया था, वो क्या करता था, हमेशा उन सारी चीजों को वहाँ पे आके देखता था, क्योंकि उसको पता था कि यहाँ पे तो ग्राउंड में मैंने क्या करा है, होल कर दिया है, वेल के बाजू में होल करके अंदर छुपा दिया है. बट द थिंग दैट इज वैल्यूएबल फॉर हिम, वो चीज उसके लिए बहुत जरूरी होता है, तो हमेशा उस पर ध्यान रखता है. वी ऑलवेज पे अटेंशन ऑन आवर वैल्यूएबल थिंग. हमारी कोई भी चीज जो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होती है, जरूरी होती है हमारे लिए, हमेशा क्या करते हैं, उसका ध्यान रखते हैं. सेम एज फॉर मुस्तफा आल्सो, व्हाट मुस्तफा वाज डूइंग, ही वाज पेइंग अटेंशन ऑन हिज गोल्ड ornaments that he was having, ornaments, coins, as many things he was having of gold. उसमें सबको ही इकट्ठा बोरी में बंद करके इकट्ठा इतना बड़ा बना कर अंदर डाल दिया था. बट he used to get worry for it. उसकी चिंता तो होती थी कि इतना सारा गोल्ड है मेरा, मैंने रख तो दिया है मिट्टी के अंदर, बट आई शुड पे अटेंशन टुवर्ड्स इट, मुझे उसका ध्यान रखना चाहिए. Whenever he used to move from that way, जब भी वो वहाँ से जाता था, people तो उसके हंसी उड़ाते थे, बच्चे भी उसकी हंसी उड़ाते थे, बट ही लीस्ट बॉदर, उसको इन सब चीजों से कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता था. बट कैन ही रियली कीप द हाइडिंग थिंग हिडन? कभी भी कोई चीज आपने छुपा के रखी है, सपोज आप लंच में आज कोई बहुत टेस्टी फूड लेके आए, ओके, एंड यू हिड आफ्टर दैट थिंग, छुपा दिया, तो मेरे साथ शेयर ना करें. वाज इट गुड? नो, शेयर करना चाहिए. बट क्या वो छुपा हुआ रह सकता है? जैसे डब्बा खुलेगा सबको पता चल जाएगा. क्यों? क्योंकि आपका ध्यान वहीं पे जाएगा जहाँ पे आपने कहा अच्छा सा टिफिन आपने छुपा के रखा है. ओवर हियर मुस्तफा हिड हिज मोस्ट वैल्यूएबल थिंग. मुस्तफा की जो सबसे जरूरी चीजें थी, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट थी उसके लिए, बहुत ही ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट थी, जिसका वो बहुत केयर करता था, ऐसा गोल्ड का सामान उसने इतना छुपा के मिट्टी के अंदर रख दिया था. एंड ही यूज्ड टू कीप so much care of that. उसका बहुत ज़्यादा ध्यान रखता था. Why? Because that thing was very valuable. वो चीज़ें उसके लिए बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी थी. But a thing that you have hidden from someone, एक चीज़ हमने किसी से छुपा के रखी है और हम बार बार उसी चीज़ को इधर से घूम के जा रहे हैं, तो भी हम वही देख रहे हैं. We are moving from the other way. Again we are moving at the same place. अगर हम बार बार उसी चीज़ को देख रहे हैं, then people will definitely recognize. लोगों को तुरंत पता ही चल जाएगा that he must have hide something over here. इसलिए यहाँ पे जरूर कोई चीज को छुपा के रखा हुआ है. That's why he is again and again doing the same thing. Now the same thing was happening with Mustafa. Mustafa के साथ भी same ही हो रहा है, because wherever he had hid his valuable objects, उसने जहाँ पे अपने valuable objects छुपाए थे, he daily used to move near that well. वो daily उस well के पास जाता और वहाँ पे खड़ा होकर हमेशा ऐसा करके देखता कि उसने जो भी कुछ अपना सामान छुपा के रखा है, is it safe? वो सेफ तो है, और someone have not taken away that money. उसका मनी का गोल्ड जो उसने वहाँ छुपाया है, तो कोई वहाँ से लेके चला तो नहीं गया है. So he daily used to go over there and have a look over there. वो रोज जाता और वहाँ पे जाके सामान को देखता. But जो चीज उसने छुपा के रखी थी, it was not hidden for a long time. वो ज़्यादा देर तक छुपी नहीं रही पाए, because when people started looking at him that he was going at the same way regularly, जब लोगों ने देखना स्टार्ट करा that Mustafa is regular going to the same way, they also want to know that why he is going over there. लोगों ने भी जानने के लिए उन लोगों को भी ऐसा हो गया कि that why he is going again and again, और वो ऐसी जगह पे जा रहा है जहाँ पे जो वेल है उसका भी यूटिलाइजेशन नहीं हो रहा. So he again and again used to go over there. So people started whispering in between. लोगों के बीच में बातें होना स्टार्ट हो गया slowly that Mustafa is going there, something should be there. वहाँ पे कुछ चीज है जो hidden है. That's why Mustafa is going over there. Whispering means to speak very slowly about something to some one person. किसी चीज के बारे में किसी से बहुत धीमे-धीमे बात करना, that is called whispering. Now here our first session gets over. Let's have a look on the hard words. What we are going to do? We are going to write few of the hard words and go through them with a small reading and the learning process. So let's get started. Number one is the most important key spelling of Mustafa. M-U-S-T-A-P-H-A. Who was Mustafa? Mustafa was the richest person. So we are going to write the spelling of richest. R-R-C-H-E-S-T. How was Mustafa? Mustafa was the richest person. मतलब जिसके पास बहुत सारा money. That was Mustafa. And how Mustafa used to do? Mustafa used to pretend that he is poor. So spelling of pretend. P-R-E-T-E-N-D. Pretend मतलब आप जैसे हैं वैसा नहीं दिखाना, ऐसा दिखाना कि मैं ऐसा नहीं हूँ. Like that. Pretend. Why he was doing like this? To be safe from robbers. किसे बचने के लिए? Robbers. कि उसके हाउस में robbers आके उसका valuable सामान ना ले जाए. Which kind of object? Valuable. So that no one should take away his valuable object. उसका valuable सामान जो है वो चोरी करके ना ले जा सके. That's why he used to wear torn clothes. Which kind of clothes? Torn मतलब कैसे? फटे and stingy. Stingy means what? The clothes from where the bad smell used to come. S-T-I-N-G. Which kind of clothes he was wearing? He used to wear stingy clothes. And then what he used to do? He used to move like that in the place and everyone used to laugh on him. And what he used to call it? Conjuse. A-N-J-O-S. Conjuse. As in English we call it wizard. M-R-S-E-R. Wizard. The small children as well as all the people used to call him Conjuse. And they sniggered on him. Sniggered means एकदम stand होके they used to laugh. Sniggered. S-N-I-G-G-E-R-E-D. And what he used to do? He used to go to the same way where he have dug the earth for hiding his gold. उस जगह में रोज जाता था जहाँ पे उसने जमीन को दब करके क्या छुपा रखा था? अपना gold. And what did he? He got his money and he had amassed. A-M-A-S-S-E. Amassed मतलब बहुत सारा gold अलग-अलग ऐसे I'm wearing ring, chain, earrings, everything wearing सबको एक जगह इकट्ठा कर देगा. That is called amassed. What he did? He amassed all the things and then put it inside the mud. नीचे के अंदर क्या कर दिया? उसने सब चीज को छुपा दिया. That is called buried. Buried मतलब कहीं चीज को अंदर छुपा देना. B-U-R-R-E-D. And what? That thing was very valuable. Valuable means treasure. T-R-E-A-S-U-R-E. T-R-E-A-S-U-R-E. Treasure means very valuable thing. Thing जिसकी importance आपकी लाइफ में बहुत ज़्यादा होती है. And if it is valuable, what you are going to do? You are going to come again and again to see that thing. If you have hidden that thing in some place. अगर आपने अपनी कोई valuable चीज़ कहीं छुपा दी है, so what are you going to do? You are going to come come again and again just to have a look कि वो मेरा सामान कहाँ पर है. Now what we are going to do? We are just going to go through all the hard words. These are the hard words. HARD WORD. Why we are reading it? Because they are the words that are a little bit harder, so you should learn them. And for learning them, what you have to do? You have to go through your textbooks. So let's get started. Number one is Mustafa. MUSTAPHA. Mustafa. Number two, RICHEST. Richest मतलब सबसे ज़्यादा rupees वाला जो person होता है, he is known as the richest. Number three, PRETEND. Pretend. As you are very good, but how you pretend that I am not good. जैसे आप हैं, उससे opposite दिखाना. That is called pretend. SAFE, safe मतलब अपने आप को बचाना. Who want to be safe? Mustafa want to be safe from the robbers. ROBBERS, robbers मतलब the person who used to do the thieving. Persons who चोरी करते हैं, they are also known as the robbers. Number 6, VALUABLE. VALUABLE. Valuable means the thing which is very important for you. The thing which is very important for you. And what was important for Mustafa? Mustafa's gold was very important for him. Now moving on to number 7. And what is it? Is TORN. Torn मतलब फटा हुआ. जो भी वो clothes पहनता था वो फटे हुए होते थे. And old also. Number 8 is stingy. Stingy. Stingy means a bad kind of smell coming from your clothes. STINGY. 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 Now moving on to number 9, and number 9 is the spelling of KANJOOS. KANJOOS. As in other words, we used to call it misser. What we used to call it? We used to call it misser. MISER. Misser. What we used to call it? MISER. Misser. As in other words, it was known as conjunct. Conjunct people in English were known as the misser. MISER. Misser. Now number 10. Number 10 is sniggered. Sniggered means to laugh on someone. एकदम बहुत ही ज़्यादा जोर से किसी का हंसी उड़ाना is known as the sniggered. Who used to do the sniggering? People used to snigger on Mustafa. SNIGGERED. 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 Then moving on to number 11 is amazed. Amazed means over here means you are having lots of money and you have collected all them together. Is called amazed. AMASSED. Again I am going to repeat. AMASSED. Amazed. Moving on to number 12. NUD. Mud. मतलब मिट्टी. And what is mud over here? Mud is again same as I told you, mud near the well. Who dug? Mustafa dug the mud, and inside the mud what he did? He kept all of his gold in a lump. Now number 30 is buried. Buried मतलब अंदर डाल के दबा दिया. BURIED. Buried अंदर उसको दबा दिया. Now moving on to next number is treasure. Treasure, same. The valuable object, the most important thing of yours. TREASURE. Now these are total how many? 14 hard words that you have to go through. How many? 14 hard words that you have to go through. Here our first session gets over, and you have what you have to do. You have to go through the lesson and learn them properly. You have to go through the lesson, then only go to the So let's revise our lesson again. What is the name of our lesson? It is Mustafa's gold. Now what Mustafa did? Mustafa was the richest person who used to live in a place. एक place में मुस्तफा रहता था, वो was the richest person. बहुत सारा money था उसके पास. But what he used to think, if I am going to show myself that I am the richest person, अगर मैं ऐसा दिखाऊंगा कि मैं बहुत ज़्यादा richest person हूँ, then what will happen to me? Someone will going to rob my things. मेरा जो सामान है कोई चोरी करके ले जाएगा. So what should I think? I think that I should pretend that I am very poor. मैं ऐसा pretend करता हूँ कि मैं बहुत poor हूँ, मेरे पास money भी नहीं है, and so that no one will going to know that I have money. अगर मैं ऐसा pretend करूँगा तो सबको ऐसा लगेगा कि मेरे पास money नहीं है. No one will going to know the robbery is my house. So what he used to do? He used to wear torn clothes and the sticky clothes, and like this he used to move in the village. But the people of the village used to laugh on him. But still he didn't bother. जब वो उसके ऊपर हंस रहे थे तो bother करता था? No. He didn't even get worried. Why? Because he was pretending that he is poor. And still, when he thought that I have to find out a safe place. मुझे safe place ढूंढना चाहिए जहाँ पे मैं जो मेरा gold है उसको छुपा दूँ. So what was the place that he found out? He moved near an unusual well. कोई ऐसे कुएं के पास गया जो यूटिलाइजेशन में नहीं आता था, लोग उसको यूज नहीं करते थे. उसके पास जाके गड्ढा खोद के अपना जो गोल्ड था उसको पोटली में रखा और उसके अंदर छुपा दिया. And he covered it with the mud. उसको मड से ढक दिया. But he regularly used to go over there. वहाँ पे हमेशा उसको देखने के लिए जाता था. Why? Because he wanted that his valuable things should be very safe. वहाँ पे क्यों जाता था बार-बार? Just to want that his valuable things should be very safe. उसका जो valuable सामान है वो हमेशा safe रहे. That's why he used to go over there regularly. So what we have done from the half session, we have learned from the half session that if we are having the valuable things, we should care for it. But careless should not be like that everyone should know that you are over caring. हमको केयर तो करना चाहिए, but ऐसा केयर नहीं करना चाहिए कि किसकी तरह लगे, एक ओवर केयर और एक्स्ट्रा केयर की तरह लगे. That we are paying attention to our thing, but we are paying more and more attention. If we are going to do like that, then people will understand that something is wrong over. अगर हम किसी चीज़ को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंस देने लगेंगे, so everyone will going to think कि something is wrong over there. ऐसा क्या है जिसमें ये इतना ज़्यादा इसको attention दिया जा रहा है? Same was happening with Mustafa. People started whispering. Whispering मतलब धीरे-धीरे लोगों ने बात करना start कर दिया that he is कंजूस. वो तो कंजूस है. So why he is going at the one place again and again? Something is happening over there. We should go and just find out. लोगों ने क्या सोचा कि यहाँ पे कुछ ना कुछ तो गड़बड़ है. That's why Mustafa is regularly moving over there. Like this kind of whispering started happening. ऐसी small बातें बीच के बीच में होनी start हो गई. So people started moving over there. लोगों ने क्या करा? They thought that they should go over there and find what is the mysterious thing is happening. Mysterious means a thing that is not known to the people. A kind of secret. ऐसा secret that people want that it should not go to anyone. एक वो people were thinking ये कोई mysterious thing है, एक ऐसा secret है that Mustafa want that no one should know. सबको क्या लग रहा था ये एक ऐसा secret है कि मुस्तफा को ऐसा है कि किसी और people को ये सब पता ना लगे. But the secret was not hidden for lots of time. This was the session that we have finished. Now the next part of our session we are going to continue in the next session. What your work is that in your textbook, lesson number 3, Mustafa's gold, and both the reading of the lesson word by word. If you are going to read it word by word, then only you are going to understand whole of the lesson. Because without reading, your lesson is not being completed. So you have to go through the lesson word to word. Then only you are going to understand it. Thank you.